are here at the arena. This is our second vaccination blitz that we have organized, the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
Last week I think it moved a little bit smoother than today because everybody that came the last time, right, they were registered on the system and things were moving a little bit better. But for today, you notice there are much more walk-ins and they're not on the system, so we have to be registering them and checking everybody separately, so it kind of took up time in between. But other than that, it's fine. We're moving much better.
The difference today is that we have included in the mix the very important role of the political representatives. In this instance, 5 constituencies across the corporate area, and the intention is to roll that out across the country, where in another week or so we're going to have a national blitz in every parish. And essentially what it is about is to mobilize all stakeholders to encourage, in the first instance, our vulnerable groups to be a part of the inoculation or the immunization blitz. So we have spoken to the church, we have spoken to the senior citizens groups, and in the case of our political representatives, the ministry that factors a lot on the ground, because that portfolio deals with rural development but also with local government, which involves our councillors and our MPs.
We see the importance of the councillors in this exercise. We'll be coordinating with the 63 members of parliament, which the minister said we have already started now. And on Tuesday, I'll be meeting with all the mayors and the CEOs and the inspectors of court and the various personnel within local government, where Minister Tufton will join that virtual meeting to outline the program as we go forward.
And I want to make it clear, by the way, this is not a PNP JLP thing. This is mobilization of the people's representative, wherever they are, whatever they voted for, whoever they voted for, whatever color they've done. The fact is, this is a national effort. We want it to be seen as such. The church, as I say, is involved, other groups are involved, but we do believe that the political organization has an important role to play, because essentially, at its very core, it's about people, and it's about the mobilization of people around ideas. And in this instance, the idea that has to be championed here is the safety and wellness of the entire population for the benefit of all of us. So this is why I think, and we think, it's so important. At the end of it, what we really want to get out of this is a unified message to the country, to the people of Jamaica, that this is a risk that affects all of us, and so it requires a solution from all of us. We had Angela Brown-Burke here earlier. Philip Paulwell has been doing some work. Julian Robinson, they have left. So we are engaging all concerned. I think that's a very important message that we want to project here. In another week, we're going to have an all-island blitz. So what you see here today, we're going to replicate in all the parishes. That's when it gets really challenging, because I can't be everywhere. Minister here can't be everywhere. So we're going to have to depend on leadership at the local level to drive the program. But that requires a lot of preparation, which is why it is so important to have my colleagues on board in this way.